engtik lai po hian mit khap kar le ka thivek thei ni ma ila he konga intlansiak chin bike khal tu te hian thihna kong khar an va hnai bik tak em chen khat phei chuan Hremhmun atanga pen hnih lek 2 steps from hell an lo ti hial renga he intlansiakna hi Khawvela Intlansiakna Hlauhawm ber ti in an soi fo chin
last year as well.
There as well with his wheel in the air and
Davey Todd is off at Deer's little.
bike intlansiakna zinga upa ber reito ber ani bok intlansiakna hi England le Ireland inkara ram tereuhte Lovin a kumsang ka zakwa pasari atang khan kumtin deutho neih ani china Indo pui pakhat na le pani na lai khan intlansiakna omlawa tin tunlai shipui leng wang hian sangni somnia po hian an nei don lawani Khawvel puma motorsports ngaina tu te tan chuan he intlansiakna hi en nge chi ani top mai ani khongain channel subscribe lo ten min lo subscribe ve ula like share le comments tumbokang o I love man tourist trophy TT hi kumtin mei le jun tha nei chin ania kar ni chung a o chin mei tha kar topa practice week an nei china jun tha kar ma saber inti siakna hunatan an mang ve thung he intlansiak danglamna pakhat chu kawngpuiah ngaya an intlansiak china a shanpa a intlansiakna kongbik race track ani lawani akong thui zong hi kilometer somruk point pasari ania kongkoi zahni chuang a ombok an intlansiak lai hian he kawngpui hi mipui tan khar ani china an intlansiak dan chu atop thleng tura hun mang rei lo ber time trial format mangin ania second som dan zela riders te an tlan chho tir thin tan chakber record siam tu chu Peter Hickman ni in a bike BMW S1000RR mangin sangni som pariat khan voi khat tan kwal lap khat minute som paruk le second som li pahni point pasari pariata athenga a average speed hi dakar khat kilometer zahni som pasari point pakwa pariat pakwa ani afa han chak remrem don vele akong ni laya tlan chakber top speed unofficial record chu dakar khata kilometer zathum somthum pahni achakani antlan chaklo tuk mai ba ka kawngpuiah ngai ni in chuk chhodeu ewa ombok si a thona thok chuak tur angdeu mai hian an kepmalam hi kongni la akang pheiwo wo chin boka heiba ka hian kongalo chuk thut chin nen speed sang tak nen lei an de le che hian bike control a harsa in an koi deuh nok china che swal pha po anum fo rengani Sports Illustrated writer Friends leads chuan Hlauhawm hlira khat mel somthum pariat hoisen na le tlan chak zialan tereuhte sports event zinga Hlauhawm ber ti in asoi hialani mit khap kar lek po in tha da he konga hi chuan athiang velawa akong azima wangin tereuhte ti swal po in thihna a thlen theya film khur lo man chu thihna ani mai I love man TT intlansiakna bi ka hian kumsang khazakwa pasari atang khan mi za somnga pakhatin nunna an chan pha to a helai konga hian tourist trophy lo po intlansiakna dang nei ani ve china chungte nen bel khom chuan he konga hian mi zahni somruk zet an thi to ani arab thak le mai kumsang khazakwa somsari a thi tamperin intlansiakna an nei lain mi paruk an thi ani intlansiakna hi category shanga chen ania superbike TT superstock TT lightweight TT sidecar TT senior TT le TT0 ate an chen shanga category chen khat chunjom to lo a om bokani TT0 big hi adang lamna chu electric bikes manga intlansiakna ani an intlansiakna tur bike in carbon based fuels petrol ti mayang o amang thiang lawa heiba ka hian mishing ta na boruak thalo engma ati chuak tur ani lo kumsang ni som pakwa a pakhatna Michael Ritter average speed hi Dakar khata kilometer za somkwa paruk point pakhat pakwa panga ani superbikes pa ngai a phate uhle mai he intlansiakna a hian meichia pu antel ve china solo competitor mani chawa bike khat ve sidecar driver le sidecar passenger angten mi pazinga antel ve china ni meiche hwai sang tak chu an ni sa phut mai lovin TT tan hian shisel that angai hle a mitchak hoisen chedran insiam rem zung zung thiam le za aza focus jil rupek angai cheng khop mai joy Dunlopan voisom ni paruk ne na chang to in achak ngun bera John McGuinness voisom ni pathum le Michael Dunlop voisom pakwa ten an do tani hetiang infiam na Hlauhawm mitam takin an nunna an chan pha na a hian engwanga nunna thapa del chin ni an ni ti hi nang le ke hi chuan kan chi thiam ngai don lo ni hi Khawvel boy na hian zia omlama pan huna anna chunjom le ngei dona tun aya chak zo hian anna tan le ngei don chiang sa a mun nge thir ve achak om hle mai
bouncing around, and Hickman there as well with his wheel in the air. And
Oh, David Todd! Todd is off and
going to make his move on Guy Martin. Oh, Martin's down. Guy Martin's gone off an island. Oh, it's a big one.
With Guy Martin, number 8, started number 8, and this is over. Something not right there, and he's neutral, and he's off. Guy Martin.
Oh, Guy Martin is down in a big way through Doran's Bend, it looks like.
So through here, this is to come up to 27th, up onto the mountain, then it's the mountain mile, which has got the speed up the top here, into the right hand.
Oh! Hutchie's down.
Ian Hutchins, number 4, has gone down.
Well, he's up.
Down into Graham Memorial, it's fast section up here as he tips it in. It's a fast left-hander.
Missed it.
Oh, he's missed the apex. Oh my goodness me, that is a huge accident. Connor Cummins.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at it. He's just completely missed the apex.
Yeah, he's got it too quick.
Brake pain or something.
Brilliant. Dunlop gets through safely. You can hear it happening, can't you? It's Dean Harrison, Keith Moore and Dan Neih running into each other. I think Keith Moore very clever.